Hello guys, I'm just walking around here beside the Pasig River and we're eating. Nakakalibang kasi talaga to, no? And look at that sunset. Oh, that's nice, that's beautiful. Kailangan nating maglakad-lakad, magpalakas. That's why we are doing this. Kuyang vlog. Ganda dito. Hello guys, this particular bridge is also known as the BGC Ortigas Link Bridge or the Kalayaan Bridge as well. Yes. Ayan guys, ito na nga yung paakyat ng Kalayaan Bridge. So papunta tayo ulit sa Uptown, BGC na naman. Ay nako, walang kasawaang BGC. Well, yun ang malapit sa atin eh. Yan. One of the most iconic buildings here in BGC, the WCT Center. Alright. Hi guys, naging palengke na lang po ang BGC. A lot of people waiting for the fireworks. Hi guys, at ito na nga ang in-order natin dito sa Wolfgang's BGC. Ayan, napakalaki ng body. Grabe, let's go. Guys, try natin yung 870 pesos burger ng Wolfgang's Steakhouse. Grabe, ang kapal, no? Grabe. Ang juicy ng kanyang beef, no? Sarap. Sobra, solid. Burger pa lang to ah. Hi guys, may naisip akong hack na gagawin natin dito sa Wolfgang's Steakhouse, no? Dahil umorder tayo nitong beef burger na 870 pesos. Pagkatapos rice, 200 plus. Ngayon, kasi ang laki talaga na itong patty na burger, no? Yung USDA dried age, no, na steak. Gagawin natin para makatipid tayo, no? So, umorder na tayo ng kanin dito. And then, ito yung gagawin natin ulam, di ba? Yung sumobra dyan sa ating burger. O, di ba ayos? Yan guys, no? Sabi ko sa inyo, life hack eh. So guys, yan, no? Kakatapos lang natin kumain sa Wolfgang's Steakhouse. At yan, may pa-take out pa nga, no? So, grabe, nag-enjoy tayo, no? Sabi nga nila, invest in experience. So, hindi naman tayo nagsisek kasi grabe talaga, no? Napaka-sarap, napaka-juicy, napaka-lambot, no? Ng kanilang steak doon, no? Pati yung burger, grabe.
Yun. So, nabusog naman tayo and okay na. Let's go.
Babalikan natin next time yun. Grabe, mahal eh. Pero worth the quality naman yun. Soon, next time.